Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you the material test run of our EPS 1100 bottom discharge batch pre-expander machine. Before shipment, we purchase the raw material according to the customer's required target density and conduct a full material test. In this video, we will show the complete testing process, including material feeding, pre-expansion, discharge, and density measurement, to ensure stable machine operation, uniform expansion, and compliance with the required density specifications. After several rounds of testing and parameter adjustments, the final measured density reached 12.26 grams per liter, which is within the allowable 3% tolerance of the target density. In most cases, the required expansion results can be achieved after a few rounds of testing and fine-tuning. By conducting a material test run before shipment, we can verify both machine performance and process parameters in advance, ensuring that the equipment can be put into production smoothly upon arrival at the customer's factory. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.